Hello guys and welcome back on the market. So today we are going to go through a few posts and I would like to share with you some of my thoughts about this index, the fear and greed index. I think it's not accurate anymore and it's way off because in April, just after a little bit of warming up, we went to 62 grid, which I think it's very inaccurate, but I'd also like to hear your opinions. And now we're down to 24. However, I think it would be worse because the market is just down too much. It's 225 now, and yeah, I think it's no longer accurate. And of course, if you see something like this, you should sell, but we haven't seen that thing since December of 2024, November and start of December. However, here it seems for me it's just inaccurate. It's no longer a source of good information. So let's go to the first post, which is Andrew Tate opened a 40x long on 57 bitcoins, which is $3.76 million, and liquidation price is at 65,215, and the post was about 1 hour and about nearly 2 hours ago, let's say 1 hour and a half ago. And let's check the chart. It's not far from being liquidated. It's a 40x, and it looks to me like he was just liquidated. Meanwhile, I think he was liquidated again. I mean, after 107 liquidations, why wouldn't he be again liquidated? And yeah, we just hit 65,184 this hour, and it's just 1 hour after this news. I don't know when he opened. I don't know how far apart is the opening in the news, but it seems he just got liquidated as I started filming, which is kind of crazy. Yeah, let's go to the next post. And remember, guys, be careful with your leverage because he might have muscles, but seems that he will not. He doesn't have what it takes for trading. Let's go to the next post, which is from Coin Bureau. Elon Musk's net worth briefly became more than Bitcoin's entire market cap, which is kind of interesting, but not. I wouldn't say it's a big deal. I mean, it's a big deal, but yeah, I mean, he's got some interesting projects going on. So why not? Why would Bitcoin be bigger than his net worth? He's doing way more than Bitcoin right now, in my opinion. Maybe he's not, but yeah, he's still doing a lot of things. So let's go to the next post, which affects Europeans, and Mihai Daniel Marius says, I translated this from Romanian to English so everyone will understand it. So noise, everyone has a license in Europe, the market is safe. Signal, there are exactly 14 days left until the deadline. Out of thousands of companies, only 14 platforms have a trading license across entire Europe. The rest are shutting down. I mean, 14 platforms, it's enough. It should be enough. How many platforms you need? And if you are a serious company, you should get a license. I'm 50-50 on what this guy says. I'm not sure if that's safe or a good thing, but seeing the fact that we got some big players and scammers and what Wintermute is doing has done in the past, I think we need licenses and regulations for. I mean, somewhat of regulations, and we also need a space that it's fully risk on and will attract the people who just want to gamble. So yeah, so you have to, I mean, all the licensed platforms are required to report your transactions to ANAF, which is the Romanian fisc. Okay, that doesn't really matter. So let's go to the next post. Genius Act. US senators want states to regulate stablecoin issuers. Senators are urging Treasury not to centralize all stablecoin oversight and share role to states when applying to a Genius Act. Under the law, issuers under 10 billion could be regulated by states if their rules are close to federal law. So USDT, USDC, and USDS are currently above the 10 billion line. I don't know what to say about this, so I'm in Europe and I don't know if that's good, but it seems to me that a lot of regulations is coming now, and we will see if it has an impact on the market or not. And I think it's more of a mix of news, because we get like you get regulation, you get the Fed rate cuts, you get a lot of news, and we have to see if it's bullish or bearish. I think we will still be in this limbo for a while, and I don't think we'll have this year alt season or a big move up. Maybe at the end of the year, but I just see a few more months of accumulation. I will keep working and keep accumulating for a few months, but that's just my plan. So let me know what you guys think, what your plans are on the market, if you want to share. And I hope you enjoyed. See you at the next one.